The first step is to open the hood and locate the cabin air filter housing. The filter housing is located toward the top of the engine bay, just under the windshield. So pull the lever to open your hood, pull the latch to pull the hood up, and then the cabin air filter is located right there, just under the windshield. As evidenced in the last photo, there are 3 screws holding the housing lid in place. The screws are located on either end and one in the middle. They each go a quarter turn before they simply pop up, just like that. And then you can remove the entire filter housing lid. After the screws have all been popped up, go ahead and remove the filter housing lid by pulling it up and then toward the front of the car, toward you. And then do the exact same with the old cabin air filter, up and then towards you. If you flip the old cabin air filter over, you notice there are notches. Those notches sit into either side of the cabin air filter housing. Go ahead and install the new air filter. Be sure to keep the tabs or notches facing down toward the bottom of the car, and then reinstall the housing lid by, again, going in and then down, and then each screw tightens clockwise a quarter turn.